A flat figure made of rectangles and right triangles is cut out and folded along the dotted lines to form a triangular prism. Given that AH and EF are both 8, and GH is 14, what is the volume of the prism? The choices are 112, 128, 192, 240, and 288. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. When we fold along the dotted lines, the two right triangle flaps swing up to become the two triangular ends of the prism, and the three rectangles wrap around to form its three rectangular faces. The length of the prism is the side AH, which equals EF, so the length is 8. Now look at one triangular end. It is a right triangle, and its two legs lie along the edge GH. Since GH is 14, and the two legs are 6 and 8, which add up to 14, each end is a 6 by 8 right triangle with a hypotenuse of 10. The area of this triangle is 1/2 times 6 times 8, which is 24. The volume of a prism is the area of its cross-section times its length. That is 24 times 8, which equals 192. So the volume of the prism is 192, which is choice C.